about them. Because you have some platform don't reach the level and don't have the money. You have some platform come and then beg like blessing off the floor. She come and she say, beg you no look at this to do. Una knows that she ain't getting not much. But so me I say to myself, say, uno have to look at other man charities and other woman charities around town. Look how some of them look. Look how some of them advance in less than 2 to 3 years. Them start got gym. Them house ice up in the ear. Them take out business. Some of them all go back into, you know, I say nothing. You know, see how them look? And with America look like a old fowl. Because when they change out to US dollar, at least the woman trick, you know. She makes sure she remain pauperish. And trick, you know. She never trick me, because I never do it to she yet. But some of them flaunt it. But she never flaunt for her. She come squeezing her in and squeezing her in and come up and cuss people and guani. She and have her same piece of, remember when I say she have up her money, you know. They were the whole coach them. Me not say she buy no whole coach. Or not say she buy one new TV. Or not say she add on and put on. You know she a wise blood clot too man she trick you know. Huh? You know see? You know, you see she got add on and put on. You know, she go buy pretty coach. You know, she said the woman wise. Did you see she change all her little blood clot ugly furniture them when she have in her house? Green lizard furniture them. You know, she put up kitchen cloth curtain, her window. When she could have put up big nice curtain because she have people are foreigner like her. Who could have sent down big pretty curtain go give her? Eh? You know see? She play her game right. But she not play her game in a one brockful way. Like some people. Will come and dash it out pa uno. You not see? Well, me not sorry for no child. Me not sorry for no. Me just want back my money for the videotape them we they use by my channel and get some. Uno fi catch all the thief them round town. Yes, my dear. Uno have to catch all of them. Investigate all of them then and see which one of the thief is one. Investigate all of them and see who have the most money. Investigate them. Make them dash out them receipt. Where is the people that would donate them blood clot $3,000, $10,000, $7,000, $4,500? Check those up. And go look at the donors them now and see if they can buy a blood clot egg. Right now. Them don't even know where to turn. Remember some of them donors they will get money, you know. It was allegedly stated that after the blood clot camera, those money were taken back from them. And them can't say one pussy clot else them get beat. So just remember, say, I know everything glitter is blood clot gold. Uno were told, and member say, Uno don't see them the supporters there, or them the recipient, they come back and say, Merry Christmas. Thank you so much. I love you for what you have done for me to enhance my life, that my life can be better. You don't see some of them carrying a 1 and 2, you see carry a piece of yam, banana and 2 peg of ackee. If you give somebody a house and you treat somebody good, they would have come and kiss your ass foot, even come hang out of your house and say, let me wash your dirty drawers for you and wash your piss pot. But you realize that none of those recipients come back to pay any gratitude to the upliftment of their lives. So something is wrong with that. Because if you build house, you open stores, farming and this or whatever, wouldn't you come back at evening time of the year to check up on their God? To say, you know what? You enhance my life. May I thank you for what you have done for me. Here is 2 pear and 2 guinea. talk truth. On a clap when Marcia talk, please. Just make the screen light up a Christmas tree. Talk. When you see me attack, I wanna agree with me, put up some love sign. That is all life is. If talk or come put up clap, me want some emoji sign. Me want to know if you know me people agree with me near and far. When you do good in people's life and you change people's lives, people always come back. Even when they advance themselves, many of them will come back and say, here is piece of cocoa. Here is piece of banana. How many times have you seen a recipient come back to certain people's yard and give 2 guinea? When last you ever hear a recipient, a boss woman come on social media and say, you know, say Marcia, Terence, Deborah, Paula, Cain and Abel, Adam and Eve called me yesterday. I haven't heard from them in a long time. Why don't we have a little check-up then? Wouldn't that be something to elevate some of them pages out here to go and do a little check-up and see how those recipients are doing? Come on, give me a little love. Wouldn't that be an advantage to your page to carry more people, to get more views and likes and share, to say, okay, we're going to go back in time and see the money that was spent, the millions of dollars. Go and see if it house are brought down, if them take care of it. All them children, since as their children grow up in the environment and Facebook for 1 and 2 years on the program, I would like to see some of them children, if them here creep out, if them two buck off, if them look like a skeleton, or them look like a buffalo. Why can't we get an upgrade? Let me upgrade. Why we can't get a little up movement and go to those recipients and say, okay then, let we see how those people look. I think we owe the audience them something there. To visit some of those recipient home and see what kind of bed them asleep on. If the bed wanna give them, if we not come take it back. If the big dresser and the washing machine, why we can't have an interview of those people? All Chantel with our Wally Palico pitting a little young girl there. How we can't get a little interview with that girl? How we can't go down at the arm? How we can't get an interview with the boy over the banking? How we can't get an interview with the 1 foot boy we sell on the road? How we can't get an interview, good interview with the man we get too much million with the blind wife and them? How we can't get an interview with Fisio, the famous Miss Saloni is doing? Eh? So I'm saying, why can't we get like an upgrade? Why we can't upgrade? There was some boy that came there one time and them collect some money for him. How we can't get an upgrade of Marcia children them? How them do it? How we can't get an upgrade of the children them when the mama dead and millions of dollars were spent